Hi everyone, I came across a fun and easy recipe that you might want to use during the holidays. All you're going to need is a banana, strawberries, grapes, these mini mozzarella balls, and you can use these long skewers or you could use extra long toothpicks. So what I did is I already put it together, and these are mini Santa hats. So I cut the top of the grape off so it lays flat, then a small slice of banana, strawberry, and then you top it with the mini mozzarella balls. And as you see, these are little healthy snacks that you could take along to a party or just have for fun. If you like this idea, comment below holiday for full access to our free recipe guide. I hope you enjoy, and happy holidays to all.
Hi, Dr. Saxena here, Chief Medical Officer at Form Health. Thanks for visiting our channel. Make sure to subscribe to get the latest insights and information on functional and integrative medicine.